The last of peach season is over here, but I decided to use what I harvested from my tree and make these delicious cinnamon rolls. What I thought would be a simple recipe was far from that. This is one of those ones you do have to put in work. First, with making the bread starter, I used water and flour. Next, I made the actual dough with flour, cane sugar, instant yeast, sea salt, half and half, 1 egg, the bread starter, vanilla extract, and salted butter. This whole recipe, I actually did use salted butter. You can use unsalted as well. Didn't make a difference to me. I mixed everything with a hand mixer, switching to the dough hook until everything was formed soft. I then shaped it into a ball, covered with plastic wrap, and let it rise for an hour. Next was using the 4 to 5 peaches I had left. Lord knows those squirrels got the first pick, and some peaches were infested with peach worms, but I'll save that for another day. I chopped up what I could salvage and threw them in a pot with sugar, lime juice, cornstarch, and water until it reduced into a nice light chutney. Now, the funnest part for me was rolling out the dough. It was very therapeutic. I don't know why it was, but it was. I had to use a glass container because I don't have my rolling pin, so I had to improvise. Now, is that ghetto or smart? Either way, I didn't feel like waiting another day just to make these. Anyways, I made the filling with butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. I spread that mixture across the dough. At first, I didn't even know if I had enough, but it ended up working out. I just kept spreading. Then I added the peaches, and same thing here. Then I started cutting them into, I believe it was about 12 that I got out of it. 9 to 12, I can't remember because I ended up cutting these first ones even smaller. I cut those in half, so. After rolling each of them up, I set them in a buttered glass pan and let them rise for another hour before baking and made the cream cheese icing. When I tell y'all this was a whole day's work, I mean it. But maybe because I was busy doing other things too, but still, a process. And a process that I must say was absolutely worth it. These cinnamon rolls were everything I could imagine compared to others that I've had, and to know with a few switches, mainly with the whole wheat flour, I feel less guilty eating. So they are perfect for a once in a while type of treat. Thanks for watching.